How to scan YouTube QR code on Smart TV for regular YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a YouTube QR code on your Smart TV to sign in with your Google account. So first, turn on your Smart TV and open the YouTube app. On the home screen, you will see an option to sign in. Select it and a QR code will appear on your TV screen. Next, take your smartphone and open the camera app. Point your camera at the QR code displayed on the TV. Most phones will automatically recognize the code and show a link at the top of the screen. Tap on the link and it will redirect you to a page where you can log into your Google account. If you are already logged in, you will see an option to connect. Just tap that. Once you tap connect and the YouTube app on your TV will automatically refresh. After a few seconds, you will see the who's watching screen. Select your profile and you are all set. And that's it. You have successfully signed in to YouTube on your smart TV using the QR code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.